Hi, Vinny girl.
Give me your arm, okay? Right, man, you outside.
First stop, food.
You can't jump the line like that. Ready? Mama. Trust me, you don't want no ketchup on that. What about There's no more french fries.
Ain't nobody said ready, set, go. Oh, goodness.
Yo, you look great. Hey, I just can't.
Say hi. Hi. Whoa,
Look to your right.
Teeny tiny town. Hi, handsome.
My baby's a firefighter. Good job. Ring the bell. Ding, ding, ding.
What's that, Roro? Say hi, llama. No problem, sis.
We got
Come over here, Roro. Come over here. Look where Cash at. Wow, hold this for me. I'm gonna take Roro closer. Come on. You see the little donkey? Look at donkey.
And that's a big one over there. That's a big donkey.
Oh, that's the big donkey right here. So are they like midget horses or what? Oh, my boy hungry. He's hungry. Look, he's hungry. He's hungry. Look.
I need to go feed him. Look. Aquí estamos.
Hi. Come on, Roro. Looking right pretty.
Is this her first
Hey, Rise. Yes, it's both of theirs. Roro. Son.
Oh, yeah, it does hurt.
Oh, wait. Come here, baby. Not scared. You a big boy. We on a hayride. We all the way on a hayride.
Jay, they got the ice skating rink over here too.
Oh, okay.
The ice skating.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same vibe.
Okay.
There are many hidden gems on the farm that hold secret meanings.
So this one is probably just like the train ride we took.
In Teeny Town, you will find meanings.
Okay, like. Got my kid on a hayride. Riding along. She like it.
Right, get out my life.
I'm sorry, y'all. For your face.
My eye. Hey, Auntie Macy.
So I'm about to go inside the corn maze with Miss Dramatic herself and my daughter.
Aliens.
Shut up, ho.
The children of the corn.
All right, y'all. So we just entered the corn maze. Van, you scared, my mom? And she like, I'm trying to get popcorn.
Oh, be careful.
You said keep going, right?
Oh, shit.
Right, bitch, you about to go. You about to get the fuck up out of here. I need to go. We coming back to the front. Oh yeah, let's talk about so we're gonna barbecue these.
Corn on the cob. These some good corn on the cobs too.
Girl, what's the deal corn
they
up?
good.
Time to get up out of here. Ooh, I gotta comb my baby hair off for his hair appointment tomorrow.